everyone, my name is Nell and ignore my weird looking bangs. So in today's video, I'm gonna take my makeup bag and I'm gonna choose 3 products so that I can, do my whole face. And with these 3 products, I'm gonna do my makeup under 10 minutes. And time is very essential, especially as a mom, so let's get going with 3 products. So the first one, I'm gonna use my lip and cheek pencil from Nude Sticks, and I'm also gonna take my eyebrow pencil for my eyebrows, as well as maybe eyeliner from SheGlam, and I'm gonna take my trusty concealer, which is from Kiko Milano, for my foundation, as well as concealer. So these are the 3 products that I can use, and I can really, make a very nice makeup look. Okay, so I have my concealer here, so I'm just gonna conceal it and bring it outwards like this. So it's very easy. I'm not really good at makeup, but this kind of helps. So now I'm just gonna treat my concealer as my foundation and apply it all over my face. So I'm gonna blend them out. So if you guys can see, I have like a natural rosy cheeks over there. So usually I don't really use a lot of blush on. Okay, so now that it is evenly blended out, I'm just gonna do my brow, and I'm gonna take my SheGlam eyebrow expert creamy eyeliner. So here we go. Okay, so I'm done with my brows. I just need to quickly just adjust it a little bit. I'm not really good at drawing brows, so I usually do it lightly so that it won't look so weird, because most of the time it look weird on me. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my Nude Stick lip and cheeks pencil, and I'm gonna take this in retro. I really love Nude Stick. It's so amazing and so pigmented. So I'm just gonna quickly dab it outwards like this, and this is for my blush on. So I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend it out. It's so nice. So now I'm gonna do this on my eyes as well. Look at that, gorgeous. So I use my eyeliner as my lip liner and my Nude Stick lipstick over here and blend it out. If I'm allowed to take 4th product, I will take my Fenty Beauty highlighter and just apply lightly here. And just like that, I managed to look glam out with all these 4 products, and it's just so amazing. I can get ready in less than 10 minutes. So hope you guys like this video, and if you like, please follow for more.